Guess I don't recognize today my
Yung voice tulog.
Suka.
Nakakutsara siya si kuya. Ayaw niya. Hoy honey, you just had kidnap yesterday.
Thanks, sweethearts.
You know.
Lady, come and let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love.
Good morning guys. Today is April 19 and alas 3 ng madaling araw. Gumising lang ako kasi si Jen aalis mag-fishing siya. Itatry niya ulit kung makakahuli siya ng tuna. So, ayan yung kanyang baon. So, balik na ulit ako sa bed.
Welcome.
It's Nana's birthday today.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mom! Nandito po yung fisherman. Fisherman lang siya, pero wala po siyang fish na nakuha. Ano na guys, alas 6 na. Pero yung friend niya, merong nakuhang isda. Ayan, merong nakuhang tuna. So, binigyan na lang siya. And yeah, so, hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog. Yung kanina lang na nakita nyo, yun lang. Tapos kasi wala naman akong iba-vlog. Magluluto lang ako ng sausages and mashed potatoes. So, and ito, hihiwain ko ito mamaya. Dahil ilalagay ko sa freezer bag. So, yun ang aking ganap. Ano na, gabi na. Wow. Kanina raw pumunta siya.
And I brought those chisels.
Oh, kanina nandito siya. Hey, Han! I need rice. Ito, pabuhat natin to kay Jan kasi ubos na yung rice namin. Nag-grocery si Jan kaninang madaling araw dito. Kinuha niya raw yung lollies. Tapos, anong chichirya yung kinuha niya. So, ito, pabuhat ko to sa kanya. Kasi wala nang rice. Yung mag-ama, kinuha nila yung aking mga sinabag. You're so strong, Baba! Strong. Tapos na sila mag-dinner and magkakat pa ako ng tuna. Diyan ang nagugas. Thank you. Thank you, Baba! Magkakat pa ako ng tuna.
You look at your eyes. I can out.
Oh, you're right. Careful. Ito yung aking gagawin. Yeah, I will, honey. I'll cut it nice. Guys, si Kuya may hawak ng camera, pero ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung tuna. Tingnan nyo, napaka-fresh.
Oh,
diba?
so shocked.
Na, shark. And ayan. And share that one, Kuya. This one. So, ayan, meron pa dito. Ang dami pa nito. Ang dami kong itakat. Tingnan nyo guys ha, mag-cut tayo. Kuya, don't move, Kuya. Si Kuya kasi nanonood ng TV. Tinawag ko lang. So, diba? So, ayan. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Okay. Takot si Kuya sa knife. Okay. That's it, Kuya. Thank you. And etong isa, tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kalaki, guys. And meron pa siyang skin. So, inaalis ko yung kanyang skin. Kasi hindi pa natanggal yung skin. Kasi bigay lang naman to ng friend ni Jan. So, siguro nahiya na si Jan na paalisin yung skin. Kaya, ayan. Ganyan. Ang bigat. Ilang kilo kaya? Oh, yung bigat. Ayan, oh. Diba? No. Ayan. Si Kuya may hawak ng camera ulit. So, thanks, Kuya. Ayan. Kinaganito ko lang. Diba? Para matanggal yung skin. Thanks, Kuya. So, eto, natanggal ko na yung skin. Ang kapal pala ng skin ng, tuna. Ayan, oh. Kapal niya, oh. And, eto, hiniwa ko sa gitna kasi ang laki niya, ang kapal. Ayan, tingnan niyo, oh. Ayan. Diba? Ang bigat. So, unahin ko muna to kasi eto, pinagdalawa ko sila kasi nga makapal. Ayan, oh. So, paano natin to hihiwain? Si Jem, pinapaalis niya tong dugo. Ako, gustong-gusto ko to. Itong dugo. Pero tanggalin ko kasi akin lang naman to. Kasi hindi naman sila kakain ng eto. So, ngayon, paano ko siya hihiwain? Yun lang. How I'm gonna cut this, kuya?
Half it.
Huh? Like this? Ah, okay. Later na lang, pag-aralan natin to. So, na-figure out ko na, guys. So, ang ginawa ko, pag ganito, yung hiwa ko. Tapos, pinupush ko siya pa ganon. Pinupush ko siya. Kasi, pag hiniwa ko siyang ganyan, hindi siya pantay pag kinat ko. Buti na lang, ang talim ng aking kutsilyo. Ganito lang ba? Oh. Pinupush ko siya para maging pantay ang hiwa. Ayan. Tapos, kinakat ko siya into 2. Kuya, stop moving because they might feel dizzy. So, ganyan lang. O, diba?
I can't hold. I'm always moving.
So, ganyan siya, o. Kasi, kung ganito naman, pag hindi ko sila kinat, ang haba. So, kinat ko into 2. So, ayan. And, yeah, marami-rami pa to. Ayun, o. Mayroon pa ditong isa. Dawan, kuya. Ayan. So, tapusin ko lang to and ilagay ko to sa freezer mamaya. Okay, thanks, kuya. Eto na, nabalot na lahat ng tuna and I am so proud of kuya kasi teamwork namin to. Ako yung tagahiwa, si kuya ang tagabalot. Nilalagay ko lang sa cling wrap dito, tapos siya yung nagra-wrap. So, ayun. Siya nag-wrap nito. Ang ganda. Ang galing na ni kuya. And nag-enjoy din siya habang binabalot niya ito. And ito pala, mahaba yung pagkakat ko kasi parang maganda siyang gawin steak tuna. Tapos yun, yung normal cut lang. So, ayan. Thanks, kuya.
Welcome.
Are you kuya?
No.
Thanks, kuya.
And
You like doing this?
to you, I shut the door.
Oh, nakatulong si Oli. Siya yung tagabukas ng pintuan. Kasi tinapon ko yung skin ng tuna doon sa labas. So, siya yung nagbukas. Yun daw ang naitulong niya sa akin. So, yan. Ilagay ko na to sa freezer. April 20. Ito yung dinner namin. Macaroni soup with quail eggs. Yum. April 21. Ito, gumawa ko ng custard kasi nag-request na naman yung mga bata at saka si Jan ng churros. So, sabi ko, lagyan ko ng filling yung ating churros. So, ayan. Wala namang ganap. Ito, gumawa lang ako nito. So, eto, luto na yung aking dough para sa aking churros. And kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung aking paggawa ng churros sa Chona's Kitchen, please visit my other channel, guys. Chona's Kitchen. Thank you. So, okay na to. So, eto na yung ating churros na mayroong custard filling. Hindi ko na kung makita nyo. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Ooh. So, ayan. And, iro-roll ko na lang siya sa cinnamon sugar. And then, ayan. Di na sila makatiis. Linagyan ko na, diba? Ayan. Linalagyan niya pa. Gusto niya maraming custard. How is it, Papa? How is it? There's custard in there, Papa. Bite.
Tough from the side.
Ano?
Yep.
Good?
Oh,
Yan. Ayun, o. Kaya hindi ko ito matapos. And gumawa ako. Baba, I got chocolate dip here, Baba. Be careful, ha. Don't make a mess.
If you want it.
Ayan na sila, oh. O, diba? Hindi ko ito matatapos. Bago ako matapos, ubos na yung aking churros with custard. And then, ayan, dinidip pa nila sa chocolate. Ano, is that good? How is it, kuya? What movie is that, kuya?
It's finished, the mask.
The Mask.
And they're out there, babe.
Where? Okay. Ayan, mauubos na yung ating churros with custard filling and
Mom,
with chocolate dip. Yes?
is there more
More, no more. That's
cream?
it. Cream?
Mm-hmm.
What cream?
Like the cream in it.
Yeah, I put cream. Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy, Baba?
Mom,
Ubos na.
are you gonna make donuts?
Nag-request naman silang donuts. Did you like my donuts before, Kuya? Remember the donuts that we said to Daddy?
Dad, this is my second. This is so good. Let's say they do it.
Lord, I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up like you cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that.
Did you remember that one? When Daddy wasn't here and we said it through Messenger? Remember?
I don't remember.
The donuts. Remember with the custard?
Oh yeah, now I
No,
don't like
yeah.
this triangle.
You want that, Zach? You want that again, Zach?
Mom. Oh wait, this time.
Yes?
Next time we put strawberry jam.
Strawberry jam ang gusto niya. Yes.
Can I get a photo of them like it?
No. We're done. I'm gonna clean up now.
Yes.
I'm gonna clean up now, Bob.
Please.
No, tomorrow because Mom make donut. Not sure. Okay.
Strawberry jam.
Okay.
The good strawberry jam.
Okay, say good night. Yun lang guys yung vlog namin. Wala naman masyadong ganap. Say good night. Good night, Zach.
Good night.
Good night. Yan yung kanyang tubig. Lagi yung linalagyan na.
Good night.
Tubig ang
Is this
linalagyan
time?
sa ref. Good night.
Good night. Good night. Be safe and be good. And have to wash your hair like this. And have to say happy birthday to Dad. Bye. Mwah. Bye.
Pahabol guys. Ito yung dinner ko. Nagluto ako ng pritong talong tapos
Ma'am, so-
daing. And sila, kumain na
I'm
sila.
having some.
Kumain na sila yung tira kong
I'm just none of this for football.
macaroni soup kahapon. Di ba kagabi nagluto ako. You like it, right? Yes.
Suka.
Suka. I have suka here. Suka. Now that's mine. And ito yung sausawan ko sa aking talong. And ito yung dessert kanina. And ito may konti pang tirang macaroni soup. Ang dami kasing ginawa kong macaroni soup. It's toyo. What happened to your face, Kuya?
There.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Don't eat. Don't eat. So ayan guys, yung dinner ko kain na ako kasi nagsam
For this.
Yeah, katapos ko lang magsampay din nandun
Can
yung
I have your finger like this?
nandun yung sinampay ko naglalaba lang talaga ako. Kahapon pa ako naglaba tapos ngayon.
This very good.
I know. Okay, kain.
Kain.
Okay, bye-bye now. Bye.
That this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up because you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but I feel so. Let's just take this back. Back. And I know you hurt as well, darling. We can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. Now, ready, set, go. I can tell it's time. It's time. Pull you close.
Then go high day.
Nobody next to
29.
Hey, I know that this guy. Today myself. Don't know what to say. Things ain't the same. I felt.
That's right.
That we lost a race. Sweetest two ways we
Look at me.
But don't do it, but your love so sweet.
what you felt, 'cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much.
Kuya, all the CDs?
I never thought that this would hit me so quick and hard. I never thought I'd live, I never thought I'd miss your heart. But this turn of shit that we can't fix in girl. And everybody keeping to themselves. I know you're sorry, you drug me through hell. Can you tell me what you felt? 'Cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure. 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 There's just too much. Why can't we just start this over? 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 Why can't we just start this? There's just too much pressure. We just start. 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 There's just too much. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure.
Ay, not yet. Later, we're gonna go shopping here. Huh? We need a spaghetti. I'm gonna make spaghetti. Yeah. Kunti na lang, Han.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something.
What's next?
Lately I've been wondering if you could be my forever. See you, it's like God, he must be up to something. I know you try to let's just ride it together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even
What's
open
next
up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know.
Learn to touch that.
I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you closer. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can ride a trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay.
We're never gonna go this trip.
Might go to Spain, down to the page. You know my heart like my pain. I know your mama told you don't mind. You done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine. You just need your vacation.
You know it's Will Smith and DJ Khaled.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Let's get away, we can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like my plate. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. Vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started.
Tell me who you see, 'cause